Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to create bulk Gmail without a phone number. So go to this site, email or Gmail generator. Just copy this URL at the top and then go copy your email before the @ symbol. Just copy that and paste it here. And then make sure that you check this and you cross this second one out and then click generate. And then once this is fully loaded, you will see different Gmail accounts that are being generated by this site. So that's it. That's how you create bulk Gmail account without a phone number. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.